Alright guys, we're doing axles in the Volvo XC90, the two front ones. So, one side is bad. Let me show you guys how it looks. As you can see there, right there, the whole thing shakes. See, look. So, yeah, we're gonna change those right now. It's currently like 11:11, so let's see how long this takes. Alright guys, when you're working on these Volvos, the first thing you can take out is this nut right here. This goes in the middle where the axle goes. See, like that. See? That's how easy it pushes in and out. So this is the bad axle, but we're changing both sides. So take that out. Take off your caliper, your sway bar links, and your struts. Then you pull out everything to the front, and then you can get out, all the rest stuff. So let's go. Alright guys, that's how we're going so far. We got the knuckle down. You can tell all the bearings fell out. You gotta take out your sensor, ABS sensor. And since I couldn't get a deep socket in there, I just took out the whole caliper bracket with the pads. And now I just gotta get out the axle. I gotta go back there and take out the bolts that's holding the shaft in. So let's go. Alright guys, when you take out this bracket here, if you look back there, it basically holds that bearing in place towards the engine. So these are two 10mm. So you get those out. And then after you get that out, the whole thing should come out, I think. So it basically should slide out. So basically this is what holds the bearing in place. Then the other end, I don't think it has a lip, so it's able to slide out easy. So yeah, I gotta get it out as quick as I can, and then get this get the new one slapped in quick. That way I don't lose a lot of fluid. So let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and take out the old one. Alright, out with the old, in with the new. Now we got it in. Now we can put the axle in here. Alright, we got it in. Alright guys, we got the new axle in, the nut, everything. so I didn't have to take out this. So all you have to do is loosen these 2 bolts, loosen this, hang this, and then you're good to go. And you got the 2 bolts in the back tied in. So let's go ahead to the next side. Alright guys, you already got the next side torn out. See, this is how it looks. So with this one, I actually have to pry the axle out and then push in the next one. So let me go ahead and get that done. Got it out. Now let's install a new one. Alright guys, now we got both sides done. So both axles in, everything all tightened up and ready to go. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And also started like 11:11 and I finished like 12:30 something. So yeah, like an hour and change. So yeah, good to go.